You're getting ready to sell your house, and of course, you want to get the absolute most money possible, right? So you might be thinking about a remodel or maybe just a few touch-ups here and there. But here's the thing, not all updates are created equal. Some will actually put more money in your pocket at closing, and others are a total waste. Last month, one of our clients did just one of these updates before listing, and the results blew us all away. I'll come back to that later. So whether you've got a big budget or just a little bit of wiggle room, I'm going to show you what to focus on so you don't waste your money. Curb appeal is everything. First impressions are everything in real estate, and that first impression starts before the buyer even opens the front door. Think about it. Buyers are scrolling online through hundreds, sometimes thousands of houses, and what's the very first thing they see? The front of your home. If it looks dated, messy, or neglected, they're either going to skip your listing altogether or look at it with the expectation that the inside is just as bad. So what gives the biggest ROI when it comes to curb appeal? Fresh mulch, trimmed bushes, clean edges on the lawn. It sounds really simple, but it immediately makes your house feel well cared for. And adding some potted plants, a new doormat, and refreshing your mailbox adds to the overall charm. Another inexpensive tip is to power wash your siding, sidewalks, and your driveway just to make everything look bright and clean. And this one might surprise you. Replacing or painting your front door. Believe it or not, a front door update has one of the highest returns on investment of any project because it's the focal point of your curb appeal. Here's the truth. A buyer's emotions kick in the moment they drive up. And when they feel good walking up to your house, they're way more forgiving about anything less than perfect inside. The backyard retreat. Okay, let's move to the back of the house because a useful backyard is huge. Buyers today don't just want a yard. They want an outdoor living space, something that feels more like an extension of the home. That doesn't mean you need to build a luxury outdoor kitchen and don't drop 50 grand on a deck. What it does mean is make sure your yard feels private. That's one of the #1 requests my buyers ask for in their new home. They'll be willing to accept a small or less than perfect yard as long as it feels like the neighbors aren't staring right into it. So if your house has neighbors close by, add some shrubs or some trees for natural screening, and do it sooner than later. One thing you can't do is rush how fast trees grow. So buyers will pay more for a yard that already has mature landscaping. And create usable areas. A simple patio or a professionally installed fire pit can completely change how a buyer views the space. They start picturing family barbecues and evenings outside with their friends, instead of just looking at a blank patch of grass. And keep it low maintenance. Overgrown landscaping, worn out deck boards, or an old swing set that's falling apart, those all scream work, and buyers want move-in ready. The ROI here isn't just financial, it's emotional. When buyers can imagine themselves enjoying the backyard, it makes your whole property more appealing. Kitchens. We've all heard the phrase kitchens sell homes, and it's true. But it's also where sellers can either make or lose thousands. The biggest mistake I see all the time is when sellers think that slapping some paint on their cabinets and calling it a day counts as an updated kitchen. The key to kitchen updates is making it feel like a quality upgrade, not cheap. It doesn't have to cost $50,000 though. If your cabinets are good quality, just an outdated color, having them professionally painted is 100% worth the few $1,000s that will cost. Professional painters can use a sprayed-on lacquer finish that looks factory done, not the DIY streaky brush strokes. Pair that with modern hardware and suddenly the cabinets look brand new. Replace old laminate counters with quartz or granite. It doesn't have to be top of the line, but buyers do notice. In recent years, most buyers are putting beautiful countertops on their must-have list, but very few of them want to take on the hassle and mostly the expense of having them replaced after closing. And update your backsplash with something clean and neutral. Subway tile is timeless and one of the most affordable options out there. It's a favorite for buyers because it allows the beauty of your countertops to stand out without competing for the spotlight. Done right, a kitchen refresh can return anywhere from 83 to 110% of your investment. But in today's market, the impact is actually greater. It's often the tipping point between a buyer deciding to buy your home over the others they've seen, resulting in a quicker, higher offer on your home. Flooring. Okay, let's talk about flooring because this one is huge. Buyers today want clean, cohesive, and modern flooring. What kills a sale? Cheap laminate, worn out carpet, or too many different flooring types in one house. The fix? Installing luxury vinyl plank or LVP throughout the main areas or even the entire home. It's durable, waterproof, and it has a similar look to wood without the price tag. Definitely refinish real hardwoods if yours are worn out or dated. And if you have the classic early 2000s home that has wood in the kitchen and dining, but then carpet in the living room, consider having hardwoods added in the living room and refinishing all of it with a modern stain. Think light natural wood or a classic mid-tone brown. Special walnut is always a favorite. In today's world, builders rarely install real hardwoods, even though buyers love them and will typically pay more for them. So if your home has beautifully refinished hardwoods, you'll stand out from the competition. And keep in mind that carpet is okay, but only in bedrooms and only if it's new, neutral, and clean. I've personally seen sellers lose tens of thousands of dollars because they didn't want to spend a few thousand on flooring. Buyers walk in, they see worn out floors, and immediately they think project. And projects equal lower offers. Fresh neutral paint. This is one of the quickest and the easiest upgrades you can make to your home, and honestly makes one of the biggest impacts. You would not believe how much value a $3,000 paint job can add to your home. It instantly makes it feel clean, new, and move-in ready. The key here is neutral colors that are consistent throughout your home. Think warm whites or maybe light grayish tones. Stay away from the bold, trendy, and personal colors. Why? Because buyers want to be able to picture their furniture and their decor in your home. If every room is painted a different bold color, it feels chaotic and it makes them think they'll need to add repainting to their list before moving in. Remember the seller I mentioned earlier? Her house had been listed previously with another agent for months with massive price drops and honestly zero interest. So she called us once her listing expired and asked what she needed to do to finally sell her home. Interior painting was the only update we recommended, along with staging, which we do for almost every home we list. And as a result, we sold her house for full price in less than 24 hours. Even though all the other homes in their neighborhood were sitting and doing big price drops. A couple $1,000s spent to repaint her home in a soft grayish, same floors, same kitchen, same everything else. Yet the difference in buyer reaction was night and day. Paint is hands down one of the best ROI updates you can make. Bathroom updates. While bathrooms aren't as big of a focus as kitchens, they definitely matter. Buyers don't want to feel like they're walking into a time capsule from 1995, floral wallpaper and all. The good news is you don't need a full gut job. Some smaller updates go a long way, like swapping out an old vanity for something modern and new. And you do not need to break the bank with custom cabinetry. Home improvement stores like Lowe's or Home Depot sell beautiful ready-made vanities with granite or even sometimes marble countertops, replacing dated fixtures and faucets with brushed nickel or matte black. Again, don't overspend here. You can find great options without shopping at a designer fixture store. Look at Amazon or Lowe's for something that's quality but affordable. Recaulking showers and tubs and cleaning your grout so it looks new. This is an easy DIY update that takes your shower from looking questionable to looking cared for. And finally, upgrading mirrors and adding good lighting. Look for statement pieces that will add charm without overwhelming everything else you've selected. Stores like HomeGoods have great options for mirrors, and try Amazon or Wayfair for lighting options that don't carry a designer price tag. These small changes can completely transform a bathroom from outdated to updated without a huge remodel cost. And lighting and fixtures. Old brass chandeliers, big fluorescent kitchen lights, or those cheap builder grade dome lights instantly date your house. So consider swapping them out for simple, modern fixtures that match the style of your home, but add some more modern character. And like we talked about earlier, you don't have to spend a fortune at a designer lighting store. There's tons of budget-friendly options that look high-end. The key is making your house feel bright and inviting. And don't forget about hardware and faucets throughout. Consistency matters here too. If half of your house has oil-rubbed bronze and the other house has chrome, it feels pieced together. Try to pick one finish and stick with it throughout. And don't forget doorknobs and cabinet pulls. They're often overlooked, but keeping those in a consistent finish throughout makes your home feel newer. If you're still wondering exactly what you should be doing to get your home ready to sell, we've got you covered. We created a free home selling guidebook that takes you step by step through the entire process, using the same proven strategies that have helped us sell over 1,000 homes. Before you risk costly mistakes, grab your free copy by clicking the link below to download. Here's the big takeaway. Buyers today want move-in ready. It doesn't mean luxury or even fully remodeled. They're just looking for a house that feels fresh, clean, and updated enough so that they don't immediately have projects to do. When buyers walk into a home that's prepped and inviting, they get excited and start imagining themselves living there. And that excitement translates into higher offers and a quicker sale for you. And before you pick up a paintbrush or start calling contractors, make sure you check out this next video. It's the perfect companion to what we talked about today, and it'll save you from wasting money on updates that buyers don't care about.